One part of the Atlantic is cooling, the rest of the planet keeps breaking heat records. Scientists are now watching two powerful forces at once: a giant cold patch in the ocean and the return of El Nino. Scientists warn the planet may be entering a more violent and unstable era. More in this report.
At first glance, it looks impossible. The world is heating up. Yet in one corner of the North Atlantic, a patch of unusually cold water refuses to warm. Scientists call it the cold blob, and some fear it may be warning that one of Earth's most important climate engines is slowing down. Beneath the Atlantic, a vast system of ocean currents is constantly moving heat around the planet. Warm water travels north near the surface. Cold, denser water sinks and flows south deep below. The heat transported by the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation directly influences global rainfall patterns, sea levels, and the intensity of monsoons in regions like India. But scientists say melting ice and increasing freshwater entering the ocean is weakening this circulation. This means less movement of heat. One possible result is colder water collecting in parts of the North Atlantic, even while global temperatures continue rising. That is where the cold blob appears. Oceans are a critical indicator of planet's health.
Cet été 2024 a été
The oceans, for example, currently absorb 90% of the excess heat from the atmosphere. In other words, when we say that the Earth's average temperature is rising as a result of climate change, a major part of this temperature rise is in fact absorbed by the warming oceans. So monitoring ocean temperature is bound to be of great interest in tracking climate change.
Les records restent.
Now add another force, El Nino. El Nino occurs when Pacific waters warm, altering winds and weather worldwide. It can bring hotter temperatures, heat waves, drought, and heavy rain. In South Asia, it may weaken monsoons and disrupt rainfall as the world faces record heat and warmer oceans. The collision of a failing Atlantic current and a hyperactive Pacific El Nino means the buffers are gone. Earth's climate system is no longer just warming, it is destabilizing.